As we all know, we are going through a tough situation. COVID-19 is worldwide epidemic. Today I am going to tell you 5 points through which you can regain your life as it was before this epidemic. And guys, last 2 points are very important, so watch this video completely. Hello friends, this is Harsha Khatri. Welcome to my channel Search Peace, where you will find peaceful messages and thoughts. First one is overcome your fear. Fear of death is the most dangerous thing. But the good point is you are alive and life gives happiness. If you want to live happy, then you have to win over your fear. I know situations are very difficult, but one who beats the odds is a real hero. What? Come again. One who beats the odds is a real hero. Show it to the world. Set the example for your children, for your family. Convince yourself that you will bounce back. Say it again, bounce back. Yes. My second point is time always changes. Economy of each and every country is going down because of this crisis. But time can't be same. It will change again. Friends, it is the rule of the nature that time always changes, whether you are a king or a servant. Someone said, this time will also pass. Yes, this time will also pass. Keep it in your mind. Trust yourself that you will build your world again. This little virus cannot frighten your courage. Third one is mental and physical health. Nothing can be recovered without mental and physical health. About physical health, as you all know, how you can improve your immunity. If you want, I can provide you complete information on how to improve immunity. You can mention it in comment box. I can make a video on that. The main thing is mental health. We all are staying at home due to COVID-19. People are not working. They are not earning money. This leads to anger, depression, anxiety. Friends, we cannot change the situation, but we have to understand how we can handle it. Believe me friends, to improve mental health, the best solution is meditation. It is a power which can relax, or we can say cure your mind. Depression is illness and a cure is meditation. What is meditation and what are the benefits of meditation? If you want, you can mention it in a comment box. I can upload a video on that too. Yogi Bhajan said that a relaxed mind is a creative mind, and a creative mind can do anything. And this is my fourth point. You have to be creative. Be ready to adopt new technologies, new processes. World will move completely on the digital platform now. If you are not ready for that, then you will lose the ground. You have to walk with the time, otherwise it will leave you behind. My fifth point is backup ideas. You may be working on 1, 2, or maybe on more businesses. If you are doing a job or business, you have to find the alternative. Whether your job or business may or may not be affected from the COVID-19. Earn knowledge of different works. Then choose which sector you are comfortable in. Your current work and your backup work both should be of different categories. If one goes down, then second business can earn money for you. But you have to take care of one thing. Your alternative business should be digital. Come on man, it's a world of digital market. Cheer up friends, let's do it together. Let's beat this COVID-19 together. You are not alone.
If you like the video, please press like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video, you would get the notification. Please do not forget to share the video. Thanks for watching.